Hi everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to do one question and the question is grading system. So let's try to understand the question first. Okay, so you are given as input marks of a student. Okay, so we have given one variable and the name of that variable is marks. We have to take input from user and store that input in variable marks. After that, we have to check if the marks are above 90, we have to print excellent. If the marks are above 80 and less than is equals to 90, we have to print good. If the marks are above 70 and less than is equals to 80, we have to print fair. If the marks are above 60 and less than is equals to 70, we have to print meets expectations. And at the end, if the marks are less than is equals to 60, we have to print below par. Okay. So let's try to code it. I hope you have understood the question. So first of all, I have to take input from user and I'll store that input in my variable mark. I have taken marks from user and now I have to write the condition. If marks are above 90, so print excellent. And the second condition which has given to us is if marks are above 80 and marks are less than is equals to 90, then print good. Okay. The third condition which has given to us is marks greater than 70 and marks less than is equals to 80. Print fair. The fourth condition is if the marks are greater than 60 and marks less than is equals to 70, print meets expectations. Right. Now, the last condition is if the marks less than is equals to 60, print below par. Okay. So we will try to print that in our else block below par. So let's run this code. So our output has got accepted. Let's submit it. We are getting correct answer. So I hope you have understood the question, but please try to do it by yourself once. Thank you so much. That's all about this video.